Hello friends, is maths a fun? Oh yes, it is a great fun. Now let us start with one more short trick on integration. So this short trick is I will be making you understand in three different ways, and the short trick is on integration by parts. Let us start it. Now, name of this short trick is Satya pe Satta. Whenever you feel that the question on integration by parts is difficult and you are not able to solve this, then you can adopt this technique which will make the things very easy for you. Now look here how it works. The formula, as you know, is integration of u dv, which is equal to uv minus integration of v du. Now what you have to do, you are given this always. Whatever you want to find out, it is in this shape. One function is there, then other is the derivative. And what you have to do, you have to write u here and dv here diagonally. Now u का डिफरेंशिएशन करना है, dv का इंटीग्रेशन करना है. जब dv का इंटीग्रेशन करेंगे डिफरेंशिएशन खत्म हो जाएगा, v रह जाएगा. जब u का डिफरेंशिएशन करेंगे d इसके साथ लग जाएगा, डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ u. सो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ u here. So we have to go both ways. We have to differentiate u, we have to integrate v, dv. Now after this, look here, you have to proceed like this. Box number 2 is this. You go like this. It is 7. So what you have to do, you multiply u with v, it becomes uv. And v with du, firstly you will go like this. uv v du. Look here. uv v du. So this is the technique. If the question is not over, then you will repeat this step. Again you will make 7. Already you have made 1 7. You will make another 7. It will become Satya pe Satta. So this is the humor here. Funfully I have written here. जब जब क्वेश्चन मुश्किल आवा, सत्य पे सत्ता लगावा. Now let us take an example. Supposing this is the question. Now we have to proceed. First step is you have to proceed as per ILATE. As per ILATE, you know, whatsoever function appears in sequence, that has to be taken first, and second function has to be taken as a second. So one becomes u, other will become dv. Now look here. Step 1, ILATE बुलावा फैसला करावा. So you have to go to ILATE to decide what will be u and what will be dv, because we have to write diagonally. So u here and dv here. So who will decide what is u and what is dv? So you have to follow eyelid. You have to follow eyelid. Now, what you will do? You differentiate. Look here, differentiate u and integrate dv. Differentiate u, integrate dv. So when you will differentiate u, it will become du, and you will integrate dv, it will become v. Now, complete box number 1. Now, firstly, you are having 2 elements here. Now, you have generated 2 more elements on the basis of differentiation and integration. The box is now complete. We will go to box number 2 then. And box number 2. What you have to do in box number 2? Only you have to make 7. 7 like this. Satta, 7. And let us go to the example part. It is the example here. Let us assume that we want to go for integration of root x log x dx. Now the first step, as you know, is we will go to eyelid to decide which will be our u and which will be our dv. Now look here. In the sequence, L comes first. So it will be our first function, that is, it will be u, and the remaining part will be dv. So look here, log x will be u, this is v, and this will be dv. Log x is u, this will be v dv. So write it diagonally, log x here, root x dx here. So we will differentiate log x. It will become 1 over x, and we will integrate root x, that is x power 1 by 2. So the power will be increased. It will become x raised to power 3 by 2, and in the denominator you will write 3 by 2 or 2 by 3 in the numerator. Now the box is complete. Let us go to Satya by Satta. So this is the formula. What it will become? The formula is u, v. Now we are having u also, we are having v also. Look here, there are 4 things. Now in our possession, 1, 2, 3, 4. All the 4 are there. And in the formula also, you find there are 4 things. 1, 2, 3, 4. U is there, v is there, du is there. Now look here. U is your log x. So as per the arrow, u is here. So it is log x. V we have calculated. It is v is here, v is here. Look here. If you compare it, v is here, it is this. So substitute the values, and what you will find, the result has become like this. Now solve this part. This is already done up. Now it is simply a power formula. Apply the power formula and get the result. See, this is very, very easy to go for it, because the question by integration by parts is considered to be difficult. Now, to make it easier, this technique has been developed. In humor, I am writing this integration by parts, not as integration by parts, it is integration by cards. Yes, integration by cards means integration by parts. Now look at the formula, as you know, is integration u dv is equal to uv minus integration of u dv. So what you observe, the function u has been written and v has been written as a cart. So here u is there, v is there, cart is there, cart is there. Minus v, again cart is there. Du, cart is there. So the functions have been replaced by cards. So the name has become integration by cards. So this is the formula, you know. This is formula is for integration by parts. And there is one old formula, and old is gold. Old is gold. Look here. This is the simple direct formula, integration of u v dx. So you have to decide which will be your u, which will be v with the help of eyelet. After having decided that, u, now you have to write u integration of v dx minus बड़े वाला इंटीग्रेशन का साइन derivative of u integration of v. They have to be multiplied and put them in bracket and write dx. Now you see the integration symbol always ends with dx. Like brackets, brackets have to be closed. If you are writing integration, then integration has to be with respect to certain variable. So u, here variable is x. So dx is there. Now here is integration. Dx has to be there. There is a bigger integration symbol, then dx for that has to be there. So they are working just like brackets. If you are starting with the bracket, you have to close it also. So similarly, if you are writing integration symbol, you have to close it with dx. So why this formula is like this? You see, differentiation decreases the power, integration increases the power. The effect is over. They cancel the effect of each other. So this is the old formula, and whatsoever you feel convenient to go for, you can go for that. And the Satya pe Satta technique is a new technique which many students will find it easier. So I wish you all the best. Take care of Corona, be in home, and go on subscribing my channel. Thank you very much.